So that was today's piece. Then you probably wonder, what did I use and where did I use? So the outer frame I pulled with 9 liner, and then inner with 5 and 7. Then around the flowers I pulled with 7 as well, I'm pretty sure, and then 3 inside there, as in like the small lines. Same I continued like everywhere. Well, the camera is almost focusing there. And then same here. What I do, use 5 or 7 to outline that and color that in with the same needle. Then I went like this way up, did him, and then went down there. Just because when she was laying down, I did basically, no, I did about this much. Basically, what you can see, I just did, and then what I did, what I couldn't see. Yeah, so outline majority that with 7 as well, so it's not really thin line. The characters, the elements inside are like with the 3, as you can see, really small thin lines. And I like when characters have like a definition line. I can't put my hand there because he focuses, but yeah, you can see they have cleaner, crisper line around. So 7 with that, 3 with to make the face and portrait. All this we did with the 3 just to get really neat details. Color wise, majority, this one here is dynamic triple black, so that was what I outlined. I did all the blacks. That's dark, that's medium, that's light. These two I just put just in case. And then you can see water, green soap. That was the small one, the thin 9 mag for the shading. And shading wise, I did all this soft one with 23, all this around with also 23, and then inside that I did with 9, just because it's easier to navigate with small magnum inside the details. A lot of times I actually outlined, focuses my hand, outlined and shaded in with a liner, because it's easier to line these small areas and then get in. The hair, the top part, I did with 3 liner, and then 9 because it was darker behind. Did that with 9. You can see all the small thin lines details with 3. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Majority of the time she was just laying down, and then for the last part we kind of flipped her around to access the behind like that. So I did basically what I said I could do, and then this was what I couldn't see, so therefore we flipped her around and then did that, and then that was the last part where we did the shading underneath to cut out that section. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Don't know what else I should really say. Yeah, maybe I'll pop in some photos from mid-session because I took some photos, but other than that, that's pretty much it.